Hi everyone, this is my new series Python tutorial for absolute beginners. We are going to work in my server, clasespersonales.com. Here you can find this option Python, and we are going to work with this Python online. This is my video number 1. What are the variables? Okay, what are the variables? So this series is gonna be good for complete beginners who have never done any programming before, as well as someone who's done some programming before, whether it's Python or any other language. So in this video, I'm going to go through a number of different things. First of all, what is Python? And what can you do with it? Okay, so in this website, there is something called a cell. This is a cell. Okay, this cell represents a set of code, and the box you're looking at right now is one cell. Okay, so you can type in any Python code. Here, for example, we're going to write print hello world. Okay, and when you run, clicking this button, okay, when you run this program, it executes all the code within the cell. So let's run, and you see the string hello world. Okay, it's printed. In this case, hello world is something called a string, and it's usually enclosed by either double quotes. Okay, this one and this one, or maybe single quotes, and it's basically just a set of characters. Let's try using the print function like a calculator. Now we are going to print 3 plus 8. Okay? So when you run this, these two lines are executed one by one. So you see a string hello world and the number 11. Okay, so let's go to our main topic here, namely, what are variables? Before I explain what are variables exactly in Python, I'm going to show you some sample code. You can write here m1 equals 1. Okay? And what this means? That assign this value 1 to the variable named m1, like a calculator, memory 1. So when you run this, you won't see anything printed this time, but the variable m1 now contains 1. You can check what's inside the variable m1. How? Printing the variable. Okay? How you can do that? Just print m1 and run the code. Hey, you have 1. Now we have 1. This is the variable m1. 1. Okay? And note here that there are no double quotes before or after M1. This variable M1 is without quotation marks because it's not a string. It's a variable. It's a numeric variable. Okay? And you can do the same thing with different variables. So you can write M2 equals 2. So the convention here is you write M2, the sign equal, and the value 2. Okay? And we can use another variable, M3 equals 8. So we have 3 variables here, M1, M2, M3. The first one is 1, 2, and 8. Those are the values of our variables. Okay? So if we run this program, we can see that are 3 lines, just 3 lines. But how about the M2 and M3 variables? They are inside in the memory, but you are not printing the contents. So if you want to see the content of M2 and M3, just print it. Print memory 2, print memory 3. Okay? And run the code. Okay, you can see there is 2 and 8. This one is the M2 variable, and this one is the M3 variable. Okay? We can assign to memory 4 equal hello world and print M4 memory 4 and run this code. Hey, you have 2 hello world, but one is just a print and the other is a variable. Okay, M4 is hello world and you are printing M4. In the site, nobody knows which one is a variable. Okay? That is a variable. We can use another type of variable. For example, M5 equals 3.1415. Okay? And to see the value of memory 5, you can print memory 5. Okay? And run the code. Hey, there is 3.1415. This is the M5 variable. So you can use any variable like you want. There is no restriction about that. Okay?
Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.